English Odia speaking short sentences. Never mind. Never mind. କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ. Take it away. Take it away. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଏହାକୁ ନେଇଯାଅ. Hold it firmly. Hold it firmly. ଏହାକୁ ଦୃଢ଼ ଭାବରେ ଧର ବା ଏହାକୁ ଜାବୁଡ଼ିକି ଧର. Don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. ବାଧା ଦିଅ ନାହିଁ. I promise. I promise. ମୁଁ କଥା ଦେଉଛି. No problem. No problem. କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ବା କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ. Don't panic. Don't panic. ଭୟଭୀତ ହୁଅ ନାହିଁ. Don't wink. Don't wink. ଆଖି ମାର ନାହିଁ. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ରୁହ. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. ସତ କୁହ. Bend forward. Bend forward. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଆଗକୁ ନଇଁ ଯାଅ. Slow down. Slow down. ଧୀରେ. Fix it quickly. Fix it quickly. ଏହାକୁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଠିକ୍ କର. Wipe it. Wipe it. ଏହାକୁ ପୋଛି ଦିଅ. Keep talking. Keep talking. କଥା ହେବା ଜାରି ରଖ ବା କହିବା ଜାରି ରଖ. He or she is my age. He or she is my age. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ସେ ମୋ ବୟସର. ପୁରୁଷ ହେଇଥିଲେ ହି, ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସି. A bit more. A bit more. ଟିକିଏ ଅଧିକ. That's true. That's true. ତାହା ସତ. Answer my question. Answer my question. ମୋ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅ. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଏହା ଘଟିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି. It's going to happen. I'm in danger. I'm in danger. ମୁଁ ବିପଦରେ ଅଛି. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଏହା ଅବିଶ୍ୱସନୀୟ, ଯାହା ବିଶ୍ୱାସର ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ. It's going to hurt you. It's going to hurt you. ଏହା ତୁମକୁ ଆଘାତ କରିବ ବା ଏହା ତୁମକୁ ଆଘାତ ଦେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି. You are one in a million. You are one in a million. ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଲକ୍ଷରେ ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ. You are one in a million. बस इतना किसी शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस.